I love the colorful clothes she wears and the way the sunlight plays.
Guys, traders, hello. So what happened was when I was on the Oanda platform, I had the record pause button down here and I was clicking trade to show my balance, and I accidentally clicked pause, and I was like, okay. So there was like probably 5 seconds where I was like, all right, it's not recording. Then I recorded it, and that was the 9 minutes 48. But previous to that, was like I think it was like 2 minutes or so, maybe not even, and that didn't seem to record because I was just going to fuse the videos together. So this is just a video, an intro, okay? Because there was no risk disclaimer. So guys, please understand, Connor and I present an entertaining, take on forex, and we're still in the phase where we're learning. So we're both trading demo accounts. I have a managed live account with Orion, and please, go to www.orion.co if you're looking for more details on that. I'm the accounts manager for Australia and New Zealand clients. But other than that, guys, please be very mindful that this is not professional trading advice. We're not offering a signal service. We're just showing you our journey through, a demo account, learning, improving, getting consistently profitable, transitioning to a live account, a small live account, for me be not over $1,000, pardon me, and then going to a full size account, 20, 30 grand eventually. Okay, so that's the risk disclaimer out the way. This episode, Connor and myself were both in trades. Well, I'm out of a trade early this morning. The New Zealand US dollar hit my trailing exit. It shot off really nicely. We go into details on that. Connor's got a New Zealand Singapore sell trade in play. So guys, please enjoy the video. If you haven't already, please subscribe and like to Scotty's Trading. I've noticed we're at 19 now, so woo, 19, that's good. I'll be getting a GoPro as well soon, probably this weekend, and I'll be doing vlog stuff. I have a Volkswagen Golf R 2016, a Wolfsburg edition, so I'll be doing a little bit of that as well. I'll be showing you more of my life. Not my girlfriend though, she doesn't want to be part of this, so fair enough. My house, where I trade, my office, where I live here in Perth, in sunny Bedford, and just a little bit more of my life. I want to sort of humanize things a little bit more as well. So I'll link this video together. Hopefully I can work that out. And guys, thanks for watching, and please enjoy and happy trading. Thanks guys, bye.
Platform, don't you, Scotty?
I do, guys. So this is going to be slightly different, the Oanda, to what platform are you using? The Pepperstone still? Or?
Okay, so yeah, I look at the FXCM1, the XM1, and I've stopped looking at the Pepperstone one, but that's exactly the same. So all those three brokers are the same. The only one that I've come across where the candle closing time is a bit different is the Oanda platform, but that's actually where I take my trades because I can put on in an exact amount in percent. But so your platform that you've got up at the moment, that your chart's going to be a little bit different to those ones, but we can still talk to you about it. So do you want to just explain it there?
Yeah. So guys, as you can see, this particular candle here would be reversed. So you've got the body of the candle, then the wick would actually shoot up. So, and the stop loss is at that level.
1.008. I've got the stop loss. I got it a little bit higher than the candle.
Yeah. Yep.
Then I'll be looking at the first zone I've got is around. Where have you got your zone?
I've got around 97.80 is where I've got it. I roughly put it at, but that's probably open to interpretation. I just sort of did it visually. That looked like a good sort of 1R type. But
yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, so I've got mine at 0.98, but it's in the rough ballpark.
Yeah, yeah.
So if it gets to there and touches that, I'll get to break even.
Yeah, so entry was at 99.30 is what I've got it at, guys. So that would be where the body would close. So that was where the close was at. So it's floating around break even. So, and the New Zealand dollar has weakened considerably against the US dollar. So I mean, this current candle, it's looking like is it almost nearly a bend trade as well, Connor? Or what would
No,
be?
it's just the reversal kangaroo tail that I've got it on. It's got a lot of space to the left.
Yeah, it does. It
And
is.
it was a good kangaroo tail on the zone, so I
Yep.
thought I'd take it. Scotty, I'm not one to overanalyze. It was just a good reversal kangaroo tail that
Absolutely,
fit all the criteria.
It was, and it's not like it's going into. It's got some space as well to actually, get into the next zone, because I know you target zones. So that's, like you said, it's got a little bit of room to move and some potential.
And you can see some wiki candles next to it, which I thought was a good thing to look at. That it wasn't going up higher and higher. There wasn't a lot of momentum behind it.
Yeah, most definitely. All right, so that's that there, guys. So for individuals who want to learn more, we've already discussed the forum, but we'll go to the euro now. And I know a lot of people watch this, so it's a point of conversation. Connor, do you have that reverse kangaroo tail on your chart? Not the current candle, but the previous candle on the daily?
Yeah, so mine's just mine's a big sort of bullish candle that has hit one of the significant zones around the 0.763 that I've got a zone.
Yep.
I'm not sure about you. Where have you got your zone?
Yeah, look, I haven't drawn them in, but I see what you're saying there, and that's I agree.
And it's touched that, and then it's gone down a bit, and now today's candle's come back up and touched it, and it's gone back down presently. So, I mean, you can read into that what you will.
I've just got the 4-hour up. It's float. It's very sideways right now. Like no one's really, it is uptrending, but currently
if you go onto the weekly, Scotty, and just draw, I bet you'll see a good zone around there.
Oh wow, yeah, absolutely. That was it's very clear, guys. Like this is the weekly chart, and very sideways as well. So it moved down significantly. Now it's just been holding in this consolidation for a little bit. So interesting. Like obviously everyone's like, oh wow, it's good to have a macro perspective.
Hasn't really gone past 0.767 I've got for a while.
No, you're right. No, it hasn't, and it's interesting. Like I personally, people are like, oh yeah, let's trade it on the 30-minute or whatever, but just be very cautious because it just doesn't know where it's going. So if you're looking to get some major pips, this is probably one to avoid. Personally, to me it's still a bit indecisive right now. You got
I've got a lot of wicks hitting around the 0.778 zone.
Yeah.
Just around, as a rough sort of guesstimate around there. So it hasn't gone above that for a while, has it?
No.
Doesn't really like to go, around past 79, 80 cents.
It is.
Look at the last time it hit 80 cents. It was a long time ago.
Yeah.
Back in 2015.
Yeah. Goodness me. But so guys, we're just trying to get across just to be a little cautious, jumping in, because a lot of people give advice on the major pairs, the euro USD, the pound USD, the US yen, and the US Swissy as well. So just be mindful of things and maybe, bring a chart up, get a little bit of perspective, on a higher time frame, and then just to see where the general picture is headed, and then you can make a little bit more of an informed decision on where to go from there. Now I've got the Twitter page up, guys, and we appreciate everyone following us. And the description that Connor wrote really sums things up. That we're an easy, insightful, and hilarious podcast about two startup traders struggling through the traps and snares of the forex world. So we more present an entertaining perspective from forex. Is that how you'd sort of take it?
Yeah, Connor? It's a bit of talk around the water cooler, Scotty, wouldn't you say? We're not telling you to, jump right in and start becoming successful traders like we are. We're nothing like that. But, it's a bit of talk around the water. It's, it's quite an interesting sort of way to try and make some cash in the world. But, there's some serious steps. There's some serious, money management. There's all sorts of things that you have to take into consideration.
Yes, that's right. So get educated before you. It's so easy to lose money as well, guys. So get educated. That we don't get paid to recommend the forum. We use the forum, and there's great members on it. So if you find something else that you like, as long as they're not saying pour money into a live account. If they're saying pour money into a live account straight away, they're probably have got ulterior motives, and they're not looking for you to succeed over the long term. So that would be my closing sort of quote there, Connor. And
yeah. So what are you currently on at the moment, Scotty, for your percentage wise? Like I'm down 8% this year.
So it would be, I started the demo account. I only have one demo account that I'm actually trading. I've got an Axie as well, but no trades have been taken on that, and I only recently opened that. So I'm at 4,900, and so I'm down $100, and I opened this in October last year. So I was actually at 49 and a half, but that New Zealand position reversed on me. So so down, around 2% currently.
That's pretty good.
Yeah, so it's very
slow. So I started.
And,
sorry, I started mine at the start January this year.
Yep.
I'm down 8%. So we're not pretending that we're doing anything great when we're not. We're just
that's right, and we're fully transparent. So, and I was down at around 6%. So it's just a slow process, guys. You got to understand, and we want to document things, and then. I guess what would you say if you found a system and for 6 months it was profitable on a demo, or so? Would you then maybe transition to like a small live account, or what?
That's interesting. You chose time. I would choose a percent. So if I got about a quarter up, I reckon 25%, 30% up.
Yeah.
I would change. I would start to take it seriously.
Yeah. So that's
what I mean. Yeah. If I got up 30%. For the year, I'd start to take it seriously and I'll put some money in it, I'd say.
Yeah, that makes sense. Well, that, guys, is probably the conclusion of the show. Thank you for watching. Connor, thanks again. Any closing remarks?
Thank you, Scotty.
And good luck.
Everything's good.
Good luck for your exam on Saturday. Is it morning exam or later on?
It's afternoon, which isn't too bad.
That's all right. That's all right. Your party boy lifestyle won't have to.
Yeah, exactly.
All right. Thank you, Connor, and thanks, traders, for watching. Thanks, guys.
See you next time.